Meydan is a master plan to deliver an integrated cityscape offering upscale residential communities mixed with amenities, businesscape, and commercial opportunities that complement its world-class thoroughbred racing and its five-star hospitality. We have been working closely with our partners MHK for the past year or so to come to this day and to finally come to a conclusion and to come to an announcement that will fulfill and will continue to the strategic vision of His Highness Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid to develop a city focusing on education, healthcare, and tourism.
Today, we gather to reaffirm our commitment to work collectively and in tandem to create educational infrastructure that can give rise to new generation of world leaders, national heroes, and responsible individuals. We at MHK are proud to partner with Meydan, a company with whom we share a common vision of education and individual growth, and common target in terms of educational infrastructure. This is merely the start of our strategic collaboration to be part of Meydan infrastructure with excellence in education and healthcare being created adjacent to existing world-class hospitality options and globally renowned equestrian infrastructure.
To be invited to Dubai to offer the best in British education, relying on Meydan's superb facilities, as well as the expansive campus that MHK is creating for us, over 400,000 square feet, and at a cost of 150 million dirhams. First established in 1885, the UK campus is divided into a junior and senior school. It is this reputation and commitment to excellence that we're bringing to Dubai in collaboration with partners including MHK and Meydan, who share our ethos of excellence. I'd like to thank His Excellency Saeed Al Taya, Chairman and CEO of Meydan, and Mr. Shoaib Mir Hashim Khoury, Managing Director of MHK, for their commitment to education and their kind initiative in welcoming Kent College to Dubai. Thank you.
Will you be following the IB syllabus here? Is that your primary?
So our plan is to mirror the curriculum that we have in Canterbury. So in Canterbury we offer both the A-levels in the sixth form and also the IB, and we plan to do that also here.